right, we have 5 coats on the engine. Looking amazing. We're letting this dry. I was gonna go 6 coats, but I think we're doing all right. We're looking good. So once this dries, we're gonna start swapping out hardware from the new hardware kit. Gives us a little contrast. I am priming and painting some little bits like the dipstick tube, the breather, and all that. This thing's gonna be dialed in. Gotta get it all figured out. So I began swapping out our hardware. New correct hardware from AMK. I mean, this is a 66 Galaxie with a 428, so AMK doesn't advertise one for that, but the 66, 67 Fairlane kit for a 427 is exact. It's exactly what we need, so that's what we got. Just look at that, so much better than that. I mean, that's way better than that. But we're gonna do all the hardware like that. Be very nice. So here's a good example. These are oil pan bolts. It did actually have correct ones in it, but they were just really weathered and all that, so just use and hold everything together when we paint. Then pop in the nice new ones. All right, so just a little time spent on details this morning. Valve cover bolts, intake manifold bolts, timing cover bolts. I'm actually gonna order a new one of these in the correct color, and we're gonna get this baby out. So that will be 100% correct. But look at that, I even did the oil pan bolts too. Nothing like correct factory hardware in their correct colors. Now, I'm always one that just, a lot of guys will do, like, you know, like my head bolts are painted over, that's fine. But a lot of guys, they'll put all the new bolts in and paint them, just like if you just painted the old Credi bolts. Well, yeah, nobody likes that. Well, some people do. And then some of the real purists are like, you need to paint them and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no, they look better here. They had a little contrast, a little bedazzling, so to speak. But it looks so good. So good. Love it. This is the extra little bit of details that take that little bit of time. That gives you that quality when we're done.